Today in the morning, I went to my garden and I found that the cactus rose having something at the bottom, and I really found this is really interesting. So let me take you through in detail what is this and what are for. So hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gardener. So in this episode, I'm going to take you through the Pereskia Bleo, the cactus rose. Also, we'd like to grab some green fruits of this cactus rose, and we'd like to see what is inside and how it tastes. So the cactus rose or wax cactus, whatever you are saying, this plant is really interesting to me. We are growing at the rooftop of my garden, this one, and there is a outside I have a very big one. I can show you there also, but rooftop one, let me take you through. It's like 4 to 5 feet tall at the moment, and it's really flowering. This is the peak season of flowers, fruits, and these fruits are really quite interesting. So at the bottom of this plant, I found this fruit in the morning in my garden, and I think this fruit is really unexpectedly is coming in this season, because all the day we are having rain and a lot of issues are over here, but still I can see a lot of fruits, and this flower is quite interesting in colors, and there is no smell, to be honest. And more videos I have already given earlier about this cactus rose flower, because some of the people are using in North America as a herbal plant of this one, and they're getting a lot of health benefits out of it. So you can also check this out, that what you can do. And this fruits is taste like a star fruit, if you had ever. So that star fruit is quite sour, but this one is having a lot of health benefits, to be honest. So you can have this plant must in your home, and this can be your very unique collection ever in your garden. So we have taken two fruits from the garden, and one is a little bigger, one is small. They are not that much older enough, but the bigger one I think is more old. And we are starting with the smallest one. Let's see how it looks like if once we cut. It's having little like jelly, like aloe vera kind of stuff, and is very easy and smooth to cut, but is getting like slippery from your hand, because it's releasing a lot of gel from his skins and cells. So small one, we would like to slash from the middle and center. The center is always filled with gems. This gems is very good seeds in a dark color, and they are looking like it started getting ripped. So the small fruit also itself not small. This is also is well mature fruit, so this is edible. You have tried ever the star fruit? If yes, then this taste would be similar to you, but this taste is little different. In this video I'm going to test in front of you, and I'll tell that what exactly it tastes like. Now coming with the bigger one is of course is having more skin cells and more jelly it will come out. So a lot of health benefits we are getting from these fruits, though it's not commercial and a lot of people not really know about this one, but this is really interesting. And see how the outer shell is releasing the gels from the all around is really releasing. Even I cannot like hold enough for a long time, it's getting slippery. So these seeds also really dark from inside and filled with gel like aloe vera, and we have to remove all the seeds before we clean it and eat it. is sticky. A lot of like sticky gels is coming out of it, and it's really making me deliciously to taste it. And you can see, so once you are cutting this fruit, just cut like that, the way I tried. So after you remove all the seeds from the fruit, you are ready to wash it. After cleaning, you can have it. So this fruit I tried, and this is really sticky and jelly kind of stuff. It's sour and a little bit jelly kind of stuff is putting in my mouth. So it's really quite interesting and different fruit to try at your home. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon very when these fruits gets are ripped, and I'll be sharing with you the pieces, each and every pieces I ate, and the fantastic moment of having these fruits. I'll be definitely keep taking videos and will share with you. Thank you.